So coming to the today's class, I am been going to be teach is how to create an application. Okay, and also I am been going to be teach how to create an objects, fields, everything. So everyone, so here had been created Salesforce account. Helen, Onkar, Helen, you created Salesforce account. Helen,
No, not yet.
okay. So Helen, I had been discussed how to create a Salesforce account in my previous class, and let me show you the things again. So kindly please create your Salesforce account, Helen. Okay, it's very
Okay.
important. So kindly please
I will.
create it.
I will.
So
Hello,
in my
sir. I also
previous,
not created yet.
okay, no worries. I will show it first of all. Okay, so
Okay.
first of all, before going to the class, let me try to show how to create a Salesforce account. Okay, because I discussed it previously, again I'm showing it, and then I'm going to be start the class. Yeah. Okay, let me try to go to developer free edition. Okay, let me try to go to the developer free edition. So no need to pay a single rupee for this edition. Yeah, you need to give your Swati. For example, if it's Swati sales. So Swati, can you please provide your email?
It's HWATILAHA dot E.
Can you please send in chat
Yes, yes, of course.
or ABC? Country region you are from. I'm mentioning India. Okay. State I'm mentioning Hyderabad. Normal I'm mentioning some details. Telangana and your postal code. Normally I mentioned 533 229. Okay, and username and can you please stop share your screen like a camera? Can you please someone? Hello, am I audible to you? Someone is owning the camera. Can you please off your camera? I don't know the name. Yeah, thank you. Can I know your name? Okay, just I'm mentioning at the rate of ABC. Okay, every time I'm been saying this previously also. Okay, you need to mention your email. Okay, here at the rate of Gmail. Okay, here you need to mention your three capital letters or something, whatever it may be. Your email at the rate your any three capital letters you can mention. Okay, let me try to click on sign me up. Immediately you'll get like BB processing, and after that you'll get some email, Swati. Once please check your email. Okay, it may take some time to get an email.
Okay,
It may take some time to check an email to get an email. Okay, so you'll
okay,
get an email like this. This is your account to create. Sign up account to create. Everyone. Okay, like a developer edition. Okay, we'll get an email like this. Welcome to verify. Thanks for signing up. Verify your account. Okay, you need to click on verify account. After that, you'll get us like change password or whatever it may be. Okay, password with change password. Some request, whatever it may be. So new password, confirm new password. For example, if it's Swati at the rate of 9989. Okay, again Swati at the rate of 9989. Okay, in which city? Just I'm mentioning Delhi. Okay, if you click on change password, immediately the password will be changed, and you can after that you need to log in. Okay, after that you need to log in. Salesforce login. You need to give your username as well as a password. Okay, share Salesforce. I'm copying this link. Let me try to click on login. Immediately you will log into that appropriate Salesforce. Swati got an email, I think, or it will take some time, Swati.
yeah, I did not got it yet.
Yeah, it may take some time. It may take some time.
Okay,
Okay, after
okay,
completion of the class, okay, once please process it and it will take some time, Swati.
okay.
Okay. Swati and Helen, everyone is clear how to create your account? Everyone
Yes.
is clear how to create an
Yes.
account.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, so kindly please create it. Okay, everyone, I'm
Okay.
saying, okay, the people who did not created your Salesforce account, everyone please create your Salesforce account. It's a free Salesforce CRM. I'm saying again. If anyone are facing difficulties at any point, definitely I'll help you. Okay. So today onwards, I'm starting the main agenda coming to some previous class, what I had been discussed in my previous class. So in my previous class, I discussed about CRM lifecycle. Okay, and also I discussed about enhanced list view. Okay, enhanced list view. So I think Helen, you joined yesterday. What is the use of enhanced list view, Helen? What you understood from our previous class, enhanced list view? No worries, just normally whatever you understood, some practical point of view.
Yeah, I was in the
Anyone in the
class
class?
on Friday, right? Was it Friday or Saturday?
Friday. Saturday there is no class. Friday.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Kamal, what is enhanced list view? No worries, no worries. Okay. At least try to say the things whatever you understood. Lakshmi, anyone in the class.
It's like we place all the records in our homepage or any app.
Yes, yes. We'll
That
get a
is
list of
called the
records.
list.
Yes, we'll get a list of
Like
records.
the
Okay.
parent records.
Yes, we'll get a list of records. Okay, like
Yes.
we'll get a list of records, whatever it may, based on the client requirement, and after that we'll generate some PDF format. If you clicked on print
Yes.
page, okay. So no worries. Okay, like this I use it to ask some previous questions also. Maybe for example, this week, last week, things whatever I discussed, I will ask you. Okay, no worries. If you did not told, also someone has been told. Again, if I ask it again, if I told your answer, means definitely I'll be happy. Okay, everyone,
Okay. Thank
Yes,
you.
because
welcome.
there is, yes, there is a group discussion here, it is going on whenever we are, some mutual communication is been going on with everyone, there is a group discussion is going on. Whenever a group discussion is going on, definitely, okay, there are good things will be going to be happen. That is the main agenda. Okay, let us okay, for example, just imagine, okay, there is a Techlila global services. Okay, Techlila global services, okay, is one of the company, or like a UK. Okay, there is a destination education. Okay, there is a destination education is one application is that they don't have a proper software. Okay, like to store all their HR information, because see it, I think there is no proper software to store all their hiring manager records, and also to store all their candidate records, and to store all the positions whatever it released by the companies. Okay, they don't have a proper like software. So they had been approached to some of the software company they are using, so they preferred Salesforce to design this destination education platform. Okay, so first of all, let us try to go to the destination education. Okay, I need to create an application. So this is the structure you need to follow. First you need to create an application. After that you need to create an objects. Okay, and after that you need to create a fields. Okay, after that you need to create a like page layouts for that thing. After that you need to create a record type. Okay, after that you need to create a record type. Like this I need to follow the step-by-step process. Okay, I need to follow the step-by-step process. Okay, first of all, okay, I need to create an application. I need to create an application. What is my application name? Destination education.
Yeah, Venkat, one question.
Yes, please.
Yeah, is it similar like creating a website?
Yeah, like first of all, we need to create an application. After that, so we need to deploy it to Experience Cloud. Okay, then this particular view will be shown. Okay, for
Okay.
example, if any person has been shown the information, like stored the information at the backend, immediately the information will be stored to backend. Like for example, if any people have been opened banking website, okay, and they registered themselves, okay, if the information will be received to database or not, definitely it
Okay.
will be received to the backend,
So
okay, database,
the
okay,
the page which
yes.
you are showing, so this will be designed by Salesforce only, or else it will
Yes,
be
it will be designed by Salesforce only by LWC. Okay, like by LWC, first
okay.
of all, we are designing some backend. Okay, Every time we need to
Okay.
create first of all admin, okay, admin point of view. Okay, after that I need to go to backend, which is nothing but development. Okay, after that we need to go to LWC, it is nothing but front end UI. Then you can understand completely. Okay, then we need to deploy it to Experience Cloud. Yeah, let us see how to create an application. What is an application? An app in Salesforce. I will tell you which questions will be asked in interviews also. Set of objects, fields, data types, and page layouts. Okay, an app in Salesforce set of objects, fields, and relationships. Okay, objects, fields, and relationships. An app in Salesforce is set of different types of things. Let us see how to create an application. For example, if I'm showing things, okay, like I'm showing the navigation steps, definitely you'll face difficulty. Okay, in future to do this, no worries. Okay, even I will help you at every point of time, even each and everything, whatever I'm showing you. Okay, whatever I'm showing you. Okay, for example, today I shown you how to create an application. Okay, how to create an application. I'll show you each and everything. Like with some steps also I written each and everything. See. Everyone able to see? I'm clicking on setup, search for the application manager, go to app section, click on new lightning app. Everything I mentioned. Okay, for your future reference, it will be easy for you. Yeah. Okay, mainly there are two types of applications. Okay, one is standard applications. Okay, another is a custom applications. Okay, standard application, it is by default created by Salesforce. Okay, standard application, it is by default created by Salesforce. Okay, like there we have different types of applications, like sales application, and we have service applications. Okay, like these are the application which are marketing application. These are the by default are created by Salesforce. Like just imagine I'm opening sales. Okay, there are by default some of the applications, service, marketing, community. Okay, there are different types of applications that have been created. Okay, Salesforce has been created. Like we have service. There are different types of things. Okay, and coming to this particular thing, it is nothing but okay, custom application is we need to create it based on the business requirement or a client requirement. We need to create it. Okay, we need to create them. Okay, based on the client requirements. Is my screen is visible to everyone?
Yes,
Is
Venkat.
my screen?
Yes.
Okay, okay, fine. Okay, based on the client requirements or business requirements, we need to create it.
So in real time also we'll use the same thing which you're doing right now.
Yes,
The
whatever I'm doing in
it
real
will.
time also the same thing. Okay, same thing. Either it's an
Okay.
insurance application, either it's a banking application, e-commerce application. First of all, you will create an application. Okay, that's why in my starting classes also I told you. In other technologies, okay, whatever the teaching is different, the things whatever it is doing is different. But in sales, so whatever we are teaching, the same thing it will be continued, damn sure. Same or same things. Okay. Just you need to know how to design, how to modify, how to do based on the requirement. That's it. Okay, so we need to create them based on the client requirements. Okay, so our application name is a destination education. Okay, the logo will be given by the client. Okay, let me try to download destination education UK London logo. Let me try to. Here, any people from UK? Okay, I
Yeah,
hope.
Venkat.
Is this?
Yeah,
Okay, it's
even I'm
Omkar.
from UK.
Okay, okay, fine, fine. Let me try to save images. Okay, let me try to mention in the downloads. Okay, just this particular logo will be given by the client. Okay. And first of all, I'm going to the quick find. Everything I mentioned the steps. Don't worry. If you are facing difficulties, I'm helping you at every point of time because you're in the starting. App manager. I'm navigating to the app manager. Okay, I'm clicking on this particular icon. So I need to click on new lightning app. Each and every step I mentioned here. Okay, click on new lightning app. What is my application name? I'm mentioning destination UK or destination education. Okay, let me try to click on upload. Okay, let me try to place this particular logo. Yes, I placed a logo successfully. Let me try to click on next. Click on next. Okay, it will be supported for desktop and phone. Okay, click on next. I'm not adding any utility items. Let me try to click on next. Okay, so there are some standard objects are presented. I'm adding that particular standard objects like account, contact. I shown you previously. Lead. I'll explain you one by one. Just we are in the starting. Lead. Everyone is understanding what I'm doing? Opportunity.
Yes.
Okay, like we have a case object to get any cases, any from the customers. It will be handled by the case object. Okay, that I think it's fine. Let me try to click on next. Okay, so here, by default, like system administrator need to access. Okay, whenever if you open, if you did not place a system administrator means remember this point carefully. Okay, when you did not place a system administrator means they cannot able to access. Again, we need to edit it by navigating to profile. Okay, in future classes I'll discuss about data security. Normally I mentioned, okay, profile as system administrator means system administrator can be able to access this particular application. If we did not place a system administrator after completion of the class, so many people will message me, sir, I did not got my application I created, but I unable to see it because I did not place a system administrator under the selector profiles. Okay, even I mentioned here also. Yeah, so select the profiles in which the application. Okay, you need to try to make system administrator. Remember this point, even I'm mentioning here also. Even in your future also, you remember, you see in this, immediately you'll get all the things. That's why try to keep one org in for future reference also. Because either you are an experienced, you are an architect level, anywhere, whatever it may be, definitely these things will be definitely useful. I'm clicking on save and finish. What's my application name? What's my application name? Anyone? Destination?
Destination dot education.
Destination UK or
Yes,
education.
yes. Education. Okay, this is the thing. Yes, this is the application which I created. Everyone able to understand how to create an application?
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone have any queries how to create an application?
So
Everyone is
here
clear?
one question I have, Venkat.
Yes,
So you
please,
have
Naveen.
taken, yeah, can you show? Yeah, you have taken right your account name, site, and phone. So
Hmm.
this will be
These
done as
things,
per the client requirement, or how we need to know
yeah, I'll
that
tell you.
what?
I'll tell you. No, 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 no. This will
Okay,
be done based on the client requirement only. Okay. What are the fields? I'll tell you. Okay. It will be
fine.
comes under fields. Okay. Yes, I'll tell you everything. First of all, I completed an application. Okay. Later on, whenever I teach it step by step, then you'll understand one by one. Okay. Let me try to go with objects. Everyone is clear with how to create an application still here? Everyone is clear? Anyone have any queries? Everyone is sure? Monica. I think Monica has joined today only. Monica, you joined Friday?
No, the first time.
Oh, okay. You are from Harsha training, Monica?
Yeah,
You are from which, you are from
Hyderabad.
Harsha training? You are from Harsha
Yeah,
training?
yeah,
Okay,
yes.
fine. Okay, Monica. So we completed some of the classes, Monica. So past 3 classes, kindly please watch the recordings. Okay, at starting I shown today how to create a Salesforce account. These classes have been very interactive. Okay, so even some people are newly joined, some people have been joined from today. Okay, so I think you can continue the classes, whatever it may be. You'll not face any difficulties, Monica. If you are facing means, once please message me. Okay, everyone, not only
Yeah,
Monica, everyone. Okay,
yeah,
Ashok,
okay.
Sharayu, Kamal, everyone. If you are facing difficulties, means definitely I'll help you. Okay, just I created an application. Okay, after creating an application, okay, for our destination education, I need to create an objects. Okay, I need to create an objects. I need to create an objects. What is an object? Okay, I shown you the tree. Okay, like this we need to follow at starting. If you complete all this, then you will be somewhat, you'll get some idea on the Salesforce. Okay, if you complete all this, you'll get some idea on the Salesforce. Okay, then there are some more other things, topics I'll apply. Okay, like you'll get some 5 to 6% idea. Okay, we have so many other things like relationships, data security, some more other things. You'll get some better idea. Okay, if you done all this. And after that, I'll create an object. What is an object? Object represents table which is used to store the application or a business or organization specific data. Like for example, like we have account, contact, opportunity. For example, if you are dealing with insurance project, like we have insurance claim like that. For example, if you are dealing with banking project, what are the things are there? Account, contact, lead is okay, and there are some custom objects, transfer, withdraw means for example, if any people has been taken some credit cards, okay, credit card, to store all the credit card information, to store all the debit card information like this. Okay, there are two types of objects. Okay, there are two types of objects, standard objects and custom objects. Okay, these are by default given by Salesforce. Standard objects are nothing but these are by default given by Salesforce. Like we have, what are the standard objects? Anyone please tell me some of the standard objects which we discussed previously. Account. Anyone remember some of the standard object? Hello.
Contact.
Contact,
Account,
opportunity,
contact, phone, opportunity.
lead, case,
Lead.
okay, etc. Yes,
User.
okay. Yes, user is also a standard object. It is provided. Okay, like I'm saying again, okay, like inside this particular standard object, some of the functionalities are there. Okay, if you want to modify that particular functionalities also, you can modify. Okay, with your custom functionalities, whatever it may be based on the requirements. Yeah, if you need means you can use it. And coming to custom objects are nothing but we can create it. We can create it. Okay, based on the business needs as per the requirements. Okay, like I shown you, for example, if you are dealing with banking project, okay, for that banking project, these are the things are there. Okay, just I had been experienced with different types of projects. For example, if you are dealing with healthcare project, hospitality project, like we have patient, these are the custom object like care coordination, appointments, healthcare checkup, like normal I'm saying you, pattern is same, just only the names will be changed. Just normal I'm mentioning. Okay, like this I use it in one different types of projects. Yeah. Okay, like we are creating our with the destination education. Okay, like we are creating a destination education platform. Okay, and before that, okay, what is the difference between the standard object and custom object? Coming to the custom object will be represented hyphen c at end. Okay, custom object no need, only it will represent without hyphen c. Standard object is used to custom object is used to be represented with the hyphen c at the end. Everyone able to see hyphen c? Okay, that is the main difference. Okay, like we are designing destination UK. Okay, for normally for educational platform, what are the common things are there? Anyone in the class? What are the common things are presented for educational platform? Anyone? No one
Name
is,
of the
please
college.
speak,
Like
interact.
student, teacher.
Yes.
The
Roll
Like
course,
we
number.
have hiring. Yes, hiring manager. Okay, like for example, to recruit the people, we have hiring manager. Okay, like we have different positions have been released. Okay, and also we have different types of candidates. Okay, presented, and also we have different types of
Yes.
employees have been working.
Employee
Mm-hmm.
numbers.
Yes, yes, these are the data types. Okay, these are custom objects. Okay, like and also to store all that
Okay.
particular employees location information, we have customer demographic. Like this, some of the objects. Let me try to create hiring manager. Okay, I'm creating hiring manager. How to create an object? Okay, these particular things also I mentioned here. Okay, see ways to create by using like this. I mentioned each and everything. Okay, see, click on object manager, click on object section. Everything I mentioned. Okay, how to create an object. See, even I'm showing also everything. Let me try to go
Hmm.
to setup. Okay, I'm navigating to the object manager. Okay, let's try to click on create. Everyone, please remember. Okay, let me try to click on create. I'm clicking on custom object, custom object, custom object. And our is hiring manager. Hiring manager. Normally I'm mentioning 14 because previously I have some hiring manager. It's like a plural. Means we need to, like you need to mention hiring manager. Okay, for me I had a hiring manager previously. That's why I'm mentioning 14. You can mention like this. Okay, just I'm mentioning 14. Why I mentioned 14 means previously it is presented. That's why. Okay, so you need to I will ask you one thing. Okay, every hiring, for example, if you created, for example, if you are working in one employee, okay, in organization, is your employee ID is presented or not? Employee ID is presented or not? Employee ID,
Yes, it is
Yes, it is
presented.
there.
definitely. Okay, here also we have HR ID. Okay, like auto number means the number started with 000, HR minus. Okay, starting with 01, I'll tell you. Okay, for example, Swati is our first HR. Okay, or some people is our first HR, like Priyank is our first HR. Okay, then in like HR minus 001. Okay, second HR it will store as HR minus 002, and third HR I'm storing HR minus 003. Like this, it is easy to store all the information. Okay, your ID, and I think you observed your employee ID. Your employee ID 13479 like that. Anyone observed your employee ID? Like this it should be. Okay, or
Yes.
13569 1336 like this. Okay, we have multiple employees based on the employee count. Okay, these employee ID also will be increased. Okay, I'm clicking on allow reports. Okay, I'm allowing this particular object to everywhere. Okay, like everything, just I'm clicking on save. See, everyone able to see I got hyphen c at the end. Everyone able to see I at the end hyphen c.
Yes.
Okay, this is the thing. And okay, I'm saying again. Okay, the people who are interested. Okay, the people who are interested, and we created drive. The people who are interested. Okay, once contact your team and complete the registrations, whatever it may be, further process. Okay, yeah, if any, I mean that whatever it may be, like we are continuing the classes. Okay, if any people are interested, what like once please contact your team, like we have Techmart IT Global and Harsha training team with the different coordinator. Once please contact your coordinators and please complete your further process. And we have created a drive, we'll give an access for the drive, whatever it may be, everything whatever which I teach it every day, I use it to upload everything into the drive. Okay, everything I upload it to the drive. And just I created some hiring manager object. Okay, hiring manager object. Okay, after creating an object, you need to create a tab. Okay, after creating object, you need to create tab. If you create a tab only, then only you can see in the application. Otherwise, you cannot able to see in the application. Okay, tab. What is tab? Tab helps user to view the application at glance. Okay, by using tab only, that user can view the application. Okay, it is a collection of graphical interfaces. Okay, like which are used to manage the records. Okay, which are used to manage the records inside the object. Okay, we created an object. Okay, we created an object. What is the next step? We need to create a tab. Okay, we created an object. After that, what we need to create? We need to create a tab. Okay, even that particular tab, how to create a tab, that particular thing also mentioned. Select the tab, everything. Steps. Okay, let me try to click on home. Click on tab. Search for tab. Everyone, search for tab. Okay, click on tabs. Click on new. So whatever the object you created, hiring manager 14, I created an hiring manager 14. That particular tab is visible here. Let me try to select the tab style. Okay, I'm selecting some of the tab style. You can select any of the tab styles. I'm clicking on next. I'm clicking on, everyone is clear still now?
Yes, Venkat.
Even
Yes.
I'm saying again, what are the things which I'm teaching? I'm designing for hiring manager object. Okay, after that again I'll design for position object. After that I'll give some assignment. Okay, for candidate object like that. Let me try to click on next. This is our first class. Okay, don't worry, this is our first class. Okay, related to how to create an application, whatever it may be. You'll get to know some familiarity. So I'm placing this particular tab in destination education. Okay, let me try to click on save. Let me try to refresh my screen. Okay, this particular custom object will be placed here. What are the custom object which we created, it will be placed. If it's not placed, wait for some time. If it is not placed, click on this pencil icon. Everyone able to see this pencil icon? Okay, click on add more items. Click on all. Select search for hiring manager. See, let me try to click on add one nav item. Click on save. Yes. I created an object, just I placed here. You can't view this lightning experience. Yes. Everyone able to see this? Let me try to open our application. What is my application name? Destination education. Okay. I did not created any information. Let me try to create new. Click on new. Yes, I did not create it. Just only I created one field which is nothing but HR ID. It is an automatic field. Let me try to click on save. Okay, I created one record. Everyone able to see it started with HR minus 001.
Yes.
Yeah. Everyone is understanding what I'm discussing. Devdas, Kamal, everyone. Everyone is clear.
Yes,
Aravind.
Venkat.
Yes. What
Yeah,
about
Venkat.
Aravind? Yes, Aravind. Yes, Naveen. Yeah. Are you clear?
Yeah. Yeah, we are clear, but I feel that you're going a little fast. So can
Okay,
you,
I'll go slowly.
if you
Yeah,
can,
I'll go
yeah,
slowly. No
slow,
worries. No
then it
worries.
will
No.
be
Okay.
good for us.
Okay, fine, fine, fine. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, I'm clicking on new. If you click on save. Yes. Everyone able to see HR minus 0002 like this. The count will be increased. And again, I'm clicking on new. Like this, the count will be increased. Okay, this is the thing. Okay, so first I created an application. Okay, after that I created an object. After that we'll create a multiple objects. Based on the client or business requirement, we'll create a multiple objects. Okay, after that we created a tab for that appropriate object. Yeah. Still now everyone is clear. Still now everyone is clear.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so we created some hiring manager object. Inside this hiring manager object, normally what are the things are there inside the hiring manager object? Anyone have any idea? Normally, just understanding purpose. What are the common things are there? ID. I created ID. Any other things? Any other things? Name.
Location.
Yes,
Name, yeah.
location. Designation. Means this
Employee
particular
email
person
ID.
can, yes, location, email ID, phone
With
number.
phone contact number, yes.
Okay, like normal. These are common things. Okay. Let me try to create. Okay. Let me try to create all these fields. Okay. We created tab and we created object. Okay. Let me try to create a fields. Okay. Let me try to create a fields. Okay. And I'm saying again, only now I'm discussing about hiring manager object. Again, I'll discuss about position object. After discussing position object, again, I want to convey about a candidate object. Then, okay, you'll get to know about everything. Okay. So don't confuse. This is your first class. You'll get to know slowly about everything. If you have any doubts in the class, kindly please ask me. Again, I'll explain it. No worries. Okay, I need to create a fields. Okay, I'm going to the object manager. And another thing I want to convey about fields. What is fields? Okay, fields are nothing but a columns. Okay, columns which are presented inside the Salesforce. Salesforce objects. It is used to store the records. Okay, there are two types of fields. There are two types of fields. Standard fields and custom fields. Okay, standard fields are created whenever you created an object by default. Okay, by default some of the fields are created by Salesforce. It is known as standard fields. Okay, I'll show you. Okay, so this is a hiring manager object now. Let me try to go to fields and see everyone able to see these are the fields by default created by ID, last modified by owner. Okay, these are nothing but standard fields by default created by Salesforce when you created an object. Okay, custom fields means we can create it based on the requirements. Okay, custom fields will be indicated with hyphen C. Okay, but standard fields are not represented like this. Hyphen C. Okay, let us create some custom fields for our hiring manager object. Let us create. Okay, how to create a custom fields? Okay, just imagine this is the Salesforce org. Okay, this is a Salesforce org. Okay, when you open login, immediately this org will be opened here. You need to navigate to object manager. Even how to create a fields also I mentioned everything. See, standard fields and custom fields. Age hyphen C. Okay, navigation steps for creating the fields. Everything I mentioned. Okay, what is my object name, Naveen? Arvind. What is my object name? Arvind. Helen. What is my object name? Am I audible to everyone?
Position.
Hiring manager 14.
Yes, yes. Yeah, I did not create a position object. Okay, presently we are in the hiring manager. After completion of this, I'll create a position object. Okay, Let me try to click on new. Okay, remember, click on new. Okay, so I am creating a name. Okay, name is nothing but a text field. Okay, the data type also they will give you. The client, okay, so in the user story they will mention you what is the data type. Okay, name is nothing but a text. Okay, the data type also they will provide you everything. For each and every field they will provide you the data types. Okay, where is text data type? Okay, this is a text. It is nothing but a string name. Let me try to click on next. I am mentioning HR name. Okay, length. I am mentioning minimum 20 characters. More than 20 it will not be exceeded. Hiring manager name is a required field. Let me try to click on next. Okay, it is visible to all the field profiles. Click on next. Click on save. Okay. See, everyone able to see it is indicated with hyphen C. Anyone observed, like for example, if you are taking bank account, just imagine if you are taking some bank account from any of the organization, they will say the minimum characters. Like if the length is exceeded like more than 20 or more than 30, okay, the website will not be accepted. Anyone observed that? Anyone observed that?
Yes.
Yeah, definitely. Okay, if its length is expected more than that means immediately it will not be accepted, whatever it may be. I created HR name. What are the other fields? Okay, I created. Don't worry, everything what I mentioned. Okay, I created all these particular things in this particular Word file. Even this Word file also I'll share in the drive. Okay, I need to create a contact number. Contact number, it is nothing but a phone. The data type of this is phone. Let me try to click on new. I'm selecting phone. Click on next. In real time also like this only. In real time, for example, if it's a banking application, okay, like we have like withdraw, transfer, everything. First of all, we need to create an object. After completion of object creation, we need to create a data types like this only. Okay, fields. Okay, it is also required field. That's why I'm mentioning contact number required. Let me try to click on next. Click on next. Click on save. Yes. What is my another field name? Designation. Okay, designation is nothing but a pick list. Pick list I'll show you. Okay, like we'll get some pick list like a male or female, others like that. It is easy to ask to select, or okay, they will ask you to select your designation. Okay, it's like a pick list. Anyone observed this with different values? Anyone observed? Okay, with the different types of values, it will be represented. Anyone observed this pick list? It is nothing but pick list. Okay, multiple values. Okay, I'll show you. No worries. For example, if you take an account object, yes, everyone able to see this? It is nothing but a pick list. I am creating this pick list with the
Okay. Yeah.
designation. Click on new. I am selecting pick list. Let me try to click on next. What are the values are needed? You can enter all the values one by one. Okay, just I am copying all this. Okay, I'm clicking on save. Next. Okay, let me try to click on next, visible. Okay, again click on next. Let me try to click on save. Okay, I created designation pick list. And we have email ID. Okay, definitely we need to fill the email ID. Without that, we cannot. How we can track that particular person? Contact number and email ID. It is a mandatory fields. Okay, I need to select the email. Okay, email data type, email. Clicking on this, click on next. Okay, email. It's a required field. That's why I'm enabling this checkbox. Everyone is understanding. If anyone are facing difficulties, once please remind me. Everyone is understanding these things. Click on next.
Yes.
Okay, fine. Okay, after that, I need to create a location. Location is also nothing but a pick list. Okay, location is also a pick list. Click on new. Where is pick list? Pick list. Okay, I'm placing all the values. Okay, let me try to click on next. I'm enabling this
I have one
checkbox is
question here.
visible.
Like, sorry to interrupt you,
Yes,
Venkat.
please. Yes,
So
please.
for the pick list, you are not selecting that required field. What is the difference with both?
Which one?
Required field.
Okay, yeah, you can select it, no worries. If you want, you can select it. Okay, because here they did not mention any required field. That's why I did not select it. If you need means you can select it. Okay, because when you
Okay.
entered any application, okay, only some of the required fields are there. Some of them are optional fields. Okay, if you need means you can fill up it. Just I did not fill any required field. If you need,
Okay.
as per the requirements, if they given means you need to select. Okay, click on next. Click on next. Click on save. Okay, I created all these fields. Okay, after that, I think it's fine. Okay, checkbox is deleted checkbox. Okay, this is nothing but a checkbox, either yes or no. I will show you the user interface also. Please wait, everyone. Okay, is deleted checkbox. Click on new. Don't confuse everyone. Okay, everything again. Okay, tomorrow also we'll explain. Okay, you'll practice. Okay, then you'll get familiarity everything. Don't worry. Everything will be separate because this is a first class. Click on next. Salesforce is very easy and we have so many job opportunities definitely in each and every country. Click on save. Okay, I created all this. Like first of all, just I'm going to, I created all the fields. Okay, I'm going to the page layout once, I'm arranging the fields. Okay, just by default page layout will be created. If you need means you can create it anything. Let me try to click on save. Yeah, I'm refreshing my screen. Okay, you can go to the hiring manager. You can able to see, click on new. Okay, if it is not reflecting, don't worry. So we can log out and log in. Sometimes it will not be reflected. Yeah, everyone able to see? HR name, everything I got.
Yes.
Yes.
Sunanda. Yeah, just normal. I'm storing all the data. Means he is hiring for Java developer positions. She is hiring for. Okay, these things are mandatory fields. If you did not fill anything, everyone able to see it is showing some error. These are the required fields. Yeah, all the records are been. Why it is not displaying? Normally we'll display all the fields. What are we shown? All the fields will be displayed. And the detailed page like this will display. I'll show you why it is not displaying. Also, I'll verify it. Like this, it will show. It will display all the details page. Okay. So when you clicked on new, okay, these are all not in a structured format. Okay, like if you want to place in structured format, okay, go to your page layout, arrange all the fields, arrange all the fields. Just I'm placing side by side. Okay, I'm clicking on save. Again, I'm clicking on quick save. Let me try to click on refresh. Yes, everyone able to see all the records I'm displaying?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, yeah. Okay, I'm clicked on new, but I modified some structure. Okay, based on that appropriate structure, I'm not getting. Let me try to go to the destination UK, education UK. It is not displaying in that structure. Let me try to log out and log in. Yes, everyone able to see? Hiring manager name, everything. Like we have Kamal. Just I'm placing some number. Kamal at the rate of gmail.com. Location, I'm selecting location as Hyderabad. If you enable this, it will be enabled. Click on save. This is the thing. Okay. Just normal I created with the hiring manager object. Tomorrow let me try to create with other objects also with different things. Okay. Yeah. This is the information about today's class. Let me try to discuss some more other information in tomorrow's class. Everyone is clear on today's class? Sharayu, Naveen, Lakshmi, Swati. Everyone is clear?
Yes,
Yes,
Venkat.
Yes, Venkat.
Yes,
Yes.
Venkat.
Any queries?
Yes.
Yes. Ashok, are you able to understand? Omkar, Aravind,
yes,
Moni.
Venkat.
Yeah. Okay. Any queries? Any queries to anyone? Tomorrow let us continue. How you are feeling? Is it easy or difficult? Yeah. How you are feeling, everyone? Is it easy or difficult? Everyone.
I think the
For
class is
But
now,
becoming clear.
Helen, how is your experience?
I
This
think
is
it's
our start.
becoming clear, as we
Yeah.
go every day. I just need to watch the first 3 videos or the
Yes,
first
yes,
two
yes,
to buy
yes.
it.
It's correct. It's correct. Okay. Our classes will be continued for next 3 months, 15 days. Okay. Like daily we are seeing screens and daily we are practicing. Okay. Everything will become familiar. Don't worry. Everything will be easy only. Okay. Because this is your first class. That's why if anyone are feeling difficulty, first of all, don't feel difficulty. Okay, leave your fear. Okay, definitely it's easy only. Practice. If I completed something means practice. Okay, and again, if come up with your doubts, if you have anything, again see the video, again come up the things, whatever it may be. Okay, daily go as like a step by step manner. Okay, everything goes well. Either it's a banking project, e-commerce, insurance, whatever it may be. I told you previously also, when I'm teaching something, simultaneously I'll follow with the different types of projects. Okay, I'm explaining in the similar pattern. Okay, there is an interaction will be going on definitely with each and everyone. Okay, because whenever if an interaction is going on your future reference, it will be easy for you. Okay, when on the interviews, or even if you're later, these classes will be give you a good experience. Okay, in future also definitely. I'll give my best definitely on these particular classes. Yeah. Yes. This is about today's class team. Anyone have any other queries? I'm stopping the recording.